Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the missing developer options on your Fire TV or Firestick. So you can see I have them available right here. So just go to the main settings page. So I'll go all the way to the right. Then let's go to where it says devices and software. Select that. Then we need to go to about. Then go to where it says your TV and press this like 5 times in a row. So just with the middle dial button right here, just keep pressing this in. It says no need, you're already a developer. So for you, you're gonna unlock this if you press that 5 times. Then we can go back. Here's the developer options now. They should be available. And we have 2 options, ADB debugging and install unknown app. So if you're using something like Downloader or something, you can go ahead and just select that under here and go to yes, and you should be able to install unknown app. So very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tac.